Oh, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, to Mehzabin to my channel, and it's me, Mehzabin. So today guys, it's a poll video, and before this video guys, you might be thinking, why is Moshi thinking like this? Because I'm thinking about video topic, and according to this poll, so the poll winner is spoken English. So today's video I have a gift for you about spoken English. Okay, so the video topic is 5 things you need to do every day to learn English. Learning English is a process to fun, okay? Process to fun and enjoy the activity you like to. And also, it's habits you to the daily routine. You should have a daily routine according to your English speaking. So, it's my experience, not other experience, I think so. Is this my experience of the English speaking journey? I have 2 years of experience in the English field. But guys, you might be thinking, these 5 things could be really change my life if you do it every day and have no doubt. So, one warning guys, when you have the daily routine in your life, it can take little bit, and more. You can have this challenge of it according to 21 days, or it's unlimited. It's not limit, it's unlimited. So guys, before this video, let's get started. So, step number 1. Step number 1 is listen to a voice clip. Listening to a voice clip, you might be questioning me, Moshi, is this a spoken related connection between voice and spoken thing? It's definitely do. When you listen something, your brain catch that and you repeat from your mouth. Got it? You got it? Great job. So the thing when you do, you think you're gonna think, then listen to a voice clip. It could be anything. Listen to audiobooks or podcasts. I love podcasts very much. Oh, I have the kids podcast of listening. Okay, anyway, I'm out of mind. So the topic what I'm working to is listening to a voice clip, okay? Listening to a voice clip is also a matter. When you think, listen, and repeat it, it's a process for learning any language. Instead of English, you can learn any language in this method. The scientists do that, and we, or English learners or English teachers, have this attitude. So be confident and practice then step 1. Step 2. Step 2 is one of you very fearing and afraid about that point is talking to the native speakers. Normally, you should talk to the native speakers, but someone afraid to it. In my previous video, I'm showing you how to talk English without fear. So, link in the description box below to have that video and enjoy that with your natural English environment. And correct your mistake, okay? Correcting your mistake is the most important method. Why I'm suggesting you the natives in your country, most of the English learners by your side are hating you, talking about bad things about you, they're kind of selfish, but natives are very happy to learn a language besides you. That's unfortunately a good habitat, okay? When a native speakers talk to you, they talk friendly and correct mistakes. I also say, oh, that could be another thing. They talk like that. They talk like friendly. But when you learn to an English learner, they talk, that English is not good as much. Okay, now comparing to native versus normal English learner speaker. So I highly recommend the native speakers because they definitely highly recommend it and they definitely go to the friendly list. And also, warning guys, why I'm choosing the native speakers because it's my choice, my experience, and my thought. Okay, the third step is it's very easy. Learn 3 words daily. At least 3 words daily because when you learn the 3 words, you read an article or when you read in a book, see that, copy that article, take notes, you're reading it, go to Google's Translate and have those translating words that you use. Then voice clip. Listen to a voice clip in my previous tape. Look into it, listening to a voice clip. When you're listening to the voice clip, you definitely ruin that, okay? You definitely learn that and also you learn that properly. Then listen to these words, keep it brain and repeat against your mouth in perfect pose, okay? Number 4 is don't translate in your mind. It's a hint. Why? Because most of the people translate in their mind and talking to, second as a Bengali language, they translate into English language. That is probably weird. It's a properly optimistic. I never thought that years before. I think that is a great point about it. Do not translate your mind. You have a mistake. Do not translate it. But when you translate this language, you do not have to be a native speaker. I'm not talking about you. It's about communication skills. It's very on your mind. It's very on your communication skills. It's very on your confidence. How much confidence level do you have? How much IQ level do you have? Okay, anyway, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about why you should not translate in your mind. Your mind got upset, your mind got down, your mind got messed, and the result is nothing. So please try not to be translating your mind at once, okay? Number 5 is read a book or article or pages. You might thinking that newspapers, books are good than that. Take a basic to advanced, we have books about it. You can go to the book library and search basic English storybooks for kids. First of all, you go to for kids, okay? Read that, copy that article. Then pick a word, then listen, then repeat, then against your mind and practice to native speakers. That's the point, okay? So when you read a book, talk to the kids, okay? First of all, your point is first years is about kids line books, kids English storybooks. Then you can try the teenagers one, okay? Try the teenagers one. It's a more medium type English level with that. Then go to adults books. If you're an adult, I don't suggest it, but eventually when you are English learning, you have to read kids book. And if you're kids or teenagers, I did not suggest you to read an adult book. You can practice a normal English advanced books or go to dictionary and search them. But I highly recommend it to you if you're kids or teenagers, don't read adult type books. But if you are an adult, I suggest you to read kids and teenagers book because they are a little bit easy for your level. Then you can try your level English like a native Bengali or any type of language. So today's video topic about that. If you like this video, you're not the vote person about the spoken English. I'm trying to give a new vote for you about choosing a topic about this video. Till then, bye bye. But one thing, be yourself and be happy. Mwah. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon thing, and also like, share, comment, subscribe and everything. Okay? Bye bye.